Hello, today I'm starting a new video series on collision detection in Android. I'm planning to make a separate video for each collision case. So in this video I'm going to show you the code we need in each of the following videos, so I don't have to do things over and over again. Let's start by creating a new Android Studio project. Give it a suitable name like collision detection. Make sure to include Kotlin support and click Next. We want to make an app for phones and tablets and keep the minimum API settings. Click Next again. We want to create an empty activity and don't need a layout file, so uncheck this box and click Finish. The first thing we need is a new class. Go to App, Java, your package name, right click it, New Kotlin class. Change this to class and call it Custom View. Now we can extend the View class by writing :view after our class name. This gives us the ability to draw on the screen. When you extend the View class, you have to use one of its constructors. I'm going to use the one which takes a context as argument. Now our custom view also needs a context as parameter. So when we create a custom view, it gets a context and passes it through to its superclass. Let's go back to our main activity and set the content view to a new custom view. Now we can run our app. To change what is displayed on the screen, we have to override the onDraw method in our custom view. So hit Alt Insert and override methods. Look for the onDraw method and click OK. onDraw receives a canvas, but it is a nullable canvas, as you can see by the question mark after the type. So before we use it, we have to check whether it's null or not by typing canvas question mark. If it's not null, we call the drawColor function to fill the whole canvas with one color. Let's see the result. Next, I want to remove the action bar and the status bar. To remove the action bar, go to your main activity and let it extend activity instead of app compat activity. You also have to import activity. If we run our app now, we will see that there is no action bar anymore. To remove the status bar, open the manifest. In your application, find the theme attribute and change it to Android:style/theme.noTitleBar.fullScreen. Run your app again and enjoy the full screen experience. There's one more thing I want to show you in this tutorial. and that is handling touch events. In custom view, hit Alt Insert, override methods, find on touch event and click OK. On touch event has one parameter of type motion event. It contains information about the position of the event and its type. Since it is nullable, we have to check if it is null before using it. So write event $apply. In this block, the keyword this is regarded as event. So instead of writing event.x, you can write this.x. And of course, in such a case, you can omit this and just write x. Now we can check what type of event occurred. When action contains the type of event, and there are two cases of interest to us. The first one is if action is motion event action down, and the other one is if action is motion event action move. Action down means you've put your finger on the screen, and action move means you've moved your finger across the screen. For now, let's just log the positions of the events. Log D, touch as tag, and down at $x, which is the x coordinate, and $y, which is the y coordinate of the event. Of course, we have to import the log. To show that you have handled the event, return true, copy that for action move, and change down in the message to move. In all other cases, return false. Now we can run our app and open the logcat. Now when we click on the screen, we can see the coordinates in the logcat. Notice that 0, 0 is at the top left corner, x increases when we go to the right, and y increases when we go down. Also note that if you just click on the screen, it's a down event, and when you click, hold and move, it's a move event. That's all for this video. See you soon.